A major scale is very, very important. You need to learn, you need to know the scale. Alright, without much ado, let me get into this thing quickly. A major scale sounds like this. So first we have A, next we have B, next we have C sharp, next we have D, we have E, we have F sharp, we have G sharp, and we have A as the repetition of the root. But this time we add the octave. Now the ascending order we play with the octave key. So another thing you may want to do is to see how you can play your chord tunes from this scale. Now let's say A major 7 will sound like this. What do we have here? We have A, we have C sharp, we have E, we have G sharp. Those are the chord tones. Now, the next thing you may also want to do is to see how you can maybe play some maybe 3-note succession exercise or a 4-note succession exercise, something like this. For 3 notes, it sounds like this. The ascending order. Okay, you may also want to try 4-note succession exercise, something like this. The ascending order. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Take your time, have fun. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and also invite other friends that may have need of this information. I appreciate it.